Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets. This neutral gray bed is perfect for dogs and cats weighing between 11 and 25 pounds. It measures 23 by 18 by 2.5 inches and easily fits inside crates, kennels, and cages. The smooth and soft exterior provides a comfortable sleeping surface and doesn't get dirty or stained easily. It also comes with a sturdy and non-skid base for good support and contains high-quality synthetic filling for comfort and warmth. The 1-pound accessory is light and easy to transport. The main positives include easy cleaning and maintaining, machine washable, comfortable and furry surface. The negatives are it's not very thick and the cover is non-removable. Moving on at number 4, we have the Paws and Pals Orthopedic Pet Bed. This pet bed by Oxgord is suitable for dogs and cats and is available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large and extra large. It features a high-quality quilted cushion mat and quality orthopedic foam that keeps your pet warm, cozy and improves the sleep quality. The outer surface comprises of soft and easy-to-clean high-grade cotton and ultra-smooth fleece. It also features a water-resistant, breathable and easy-to-clean poly canvas. The durable bed can be placed in a cage, a kennel, or in the house and comes in a light and compact size for easy carrying. People love its good quality, good price, and comfort. Some nonetheless say it's not very thick. At number 3, we have the Serta Orthopedic Quilted Couch Bed. This blue-colored pet bed measures 36 by 27 by 4 inches and is suitable for different dog breeds. It comes in a luxurious and comfortable design that provides good support and comfort even to aging dogs or those with joint and hip problems. This is credited to the high-quality thick therapeutic foam that easily molds to the dog's shape no matter the sleeping style. For easy removal of the cover and simple laundering, the bed features easy care zipper. It's also light, weighing about 3 pounds, and transporting it is easy. Quality built, nice design, and good comfort are its main positives. Unfortunately, a few consumers say it's not very firm and is a little large for small dogs. At number 2, we have the HappyCare Textiles Pet Bed. This coffee brown rectangular bed is targeted at people who want the best for their dogs. It comes in good dimensions of 27 by 21 by 8 inches and weighs about 2.1 pounds. The medium-size accessory is made from quality fabric for durability and soft fillings for the ultimate comfort. It features dog paw prints for added elegance and a firm non-slip base for good support. The fully machine washable unit comes with reversible sides and is also easy to clean and maintain. It's also loved for its decent size, good density, and softness. Issues that people have with this piece include it being too soft and the walls being slightly low. And finally at number 1, we have the KOPEKS Orthopedic Memory Foam Dog Bed. Your dog deserves to have the best sleep every day. With this KOPEKS Orthopedic Dog Bed, it will bring more comfort and will help to soothe the dog joints and muscles. It's a high-grade mattress that is made with soft micro-suede and a headrest design makes it comfortable and snuggle-friendly for your dog. The dimension of this dog bed is 50 inches by 34 inches by 7 inches making it ideal for any dog or cat. It has 2 water-resistant zippered covers that will safeguard against any mess. It is also easy to clean this dog bed. It is perfect for everyday usage. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.